Now that I've created my class on BrainPop, I have the ability to create assignments within BrainPop that can be automatically scored for me and reported to me. So I've come to a topic that I want to assign, and because I'm logged into a facilitator account already, they give me these additional options that learners don't see, and one of them is assign. I'll go ahead and choose that. Once I've clicked the assign, they show me all the pieces that are available to me within this topic. I can simply click on one and add it. I'm going to choose this graded quiz since that is one of the nice things about having a class on BrainPop. Go ahead and hit next. Give me the opportunity to put in some directions. I can rearrange by using these drag and drop handles if I need to rearrange the steps in which learners are going to complete the activities. I can also assign to multiple classes if I have multiple. I'm just going to assign to this test class. Can give a due date, scheduled date. I'm good to go with this being open-ended for now, so I'll just go ahead and hit assign. I can then copy this assignment link, and if I like, take it into Schoology, and instead of placing the link directly to that equations with variables like we did in the first video where I showed you how to pull and embed that content, I can send a direct link to this assignment, and that will take the learners to the content that I've directly assigned to them and allow them to access those steps and those directions. So I think that's an upgraded way to go ahead and assign content and things that you'd like learners to look at in BrainPop. As always, I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for watching.